Hi, it's finally 2024, a new year with new beginnings and fresh ideas. You might have been considering becoming a freelancer for the numerous advantages that it offers, such as flexibility, financial freedom, the ability to work from anywhere at any time that you wish, but you don't know how to get started. So in this video I'm going to show you how to become a successful freelancer in 2024 and how to make a considerable amount of money doing the job that you love. My name is Shayan, I'm a top rated Upwork freelancer and I have made plus $30,000 only from Upwork. Now, if I wanted to start everything from scratch and go back to zero, this is how I would do it. There are three things that you need to find out in order to become a successful freelancer in 2024. The first one is actually your starting point. So you need to know, where are you currently at? Are you a student? Are you a part-time worker? Are you a full-time worker or anything else? The second thing is your destination. Where do you want to go? What do you want to achieve with freelancing? Do you want to make an extra $1,000 per month as a side hustle or a part-time job like freelancing? Or do you want to become a full-time freelancer and make $100K per year? Now, the most important thing is to know your path. How to go from point A to point B where you want to be. To be honest with you, if you have a clear goal, but if you don't know the way, you will be lost in the way. So it is very important to know how to get there, to know your path, and that's what exactly we are going to talk about in this video. So in order to get started, you need to take a piece of paper or open a digital document and write down all the responsibilities that you have. That helps you to define how much time can you actually dedicate to freelancing. So it is very important to know that freelancing is a time-consuming task, because at the same time that you are doing freelancing, you need to do the accountability for your incomes and for your expenses. You need to declare tasks. You need to communicate with clients. You have to be the secretary, you have to be the bookkeeper, you have to work on your digital marketing. How do you want to sell your services or products online, and everything that comes with it. So don't underestimate freelancing. Freelancing is a very time consuming task, and at the same time you have to manage all the aspects of your freelancing business. The second thing is to have realistic expectations. Freelancing is not a one-night journey. It takes days, weeks, or even months until you learn the freelancing game. Once you have defined your goals, your expectations, and the time that you can allocate to freelancing, now it's time to actually consider, what do you want to sell online? Which service do you want to present to your clients? Now, I want you to know that clients on Upwork or on any other freelancing platform, they are looking for a specialist. So if you already have a high demand skill such as web design, graphic design, copywriting, or anything else, that's great. You are already one step ahead. But if you don't have any skills that you can monetize them online and sell this service to clients worldwide, then you need to actually spend some time and learn a high demand skill. Nowadays, on Upwork or almost on any freelancing website, you can sell any service that can be done online. The list goes from web designing to graphic design to programming to accountability to giving consultations about law or about taxes or anything that you can imagine, and anything that you can do it online. If you are a person who has already a skill, if for example you are a graphic designer, make sure that the programs that you use are up to date and also if you can earn any certifications related to the programs or the fields that you work in, so you can showcase it to the clients. There are many websites available on the web that give you a certification for free if you pass a certain number of courses and then pass the exam, so you can have a certification for your related industry. For example, for web design and development, I use the Wix platform, and on the Wix platform there are a number of certifications that you can achieve by passing the courses, so you can showcase those certifications and add them to your Upwork profile, so you can showcase it to clients and build trust and credibility. Here is a pro tip for you. Clients on Upwork and on other freelancing platforms don't look for generalists but specialists. So instead of focusing on a number of different skills and services, focus on one niche but add 2 or 3 complementary services to it. For example, as I told you, I'm a web designer and developer, so that is my main focus and my main niche that I sell my services on Upwork, but I also consider a few 2 or 3 complementary services to web design, such as SEO optimization, mobile responsiveness, and branding. Now that you know your goals, expectations, and you have figured out what services or skills you want to monetize and sell to clients worldwide, it's time to choose your freelancing platform. Now, when it comes to choosing the right platform for your services, there are many different platforms for freelancing, but Upwork is by far the best freelancing platform worldwide because of the high paying and high quality clients that are present on the platform. The good news is that creating an account on Upwork is completely free and very easy to follow. So navigate to upwork.com, create an account for free, and then fill in the details on your profile. I have a dedicated video on how to efficiently optimize your Upwork profile, so I will link it here and also in the description below. Make sure to check it out. Once you have efficiently completed your Upwork profile, it's time to send out proposals. Now, don't mistake proposals for cold outreach. Once you do cold outreach, for example, email marketing, you send a template, you send a text to different people that might be interested in your services. In 99% of the cases, they don't even open your email and they are not interested in the services that you offer. However, the big difference in Upwork is that you have a list of clients, a list of projects that they are actively looking for the services that you offer. So, by writing a well-crafted proposal and sending it to that client who has a dedicated project and is looking for your services, you have a very big chance of actually landing that project. My advice is to aim for quality proposals and not quantity. Once again, don't copy paste proposals, read the job description carefully and write a proposal that talks to the client, that shows you understand their requirements, you understand what do they need and how you are a good fit for their project. If you want to learn more about how to write winning proposals on Upwork, I have a dedicated video that I will link it here and on the descriptions below, so you can check it out for free. The last step of becoming a successful freelancer in 2024 is consistency and patience. Once I started my freelancing career on Upwork, it took me actually 3 months to land my very first project on the platform. However, once that happened, the snowball effect started to happen, and now I receive daily projects and daily invitations to exciting projects on the platform. So keep in mind that freelancing success doesn't happen overnight. You need to spend the necessary time to craft compelling proposals, to optimize your profile efficiently, and also to learn the freelancing game. Be consistent, Don't be discouraged if you hear no, and keep on refining your skills, your proposals, and your profile. Now, if you're interested to learn more how to land your very first job on Upwork, make sure to watch this video.